committed or subpoenaed for today. I am informed that he has filed his statement. It's a she, right? She has filed her statement and is released from appearing. We propose that she be released from appearing today, and she will be given a new date on which to appear. So if the commissioners could approve that.
Obviously in the new year then, or not?
In the new year, Chair.
Thank you.
Secondly, we this afternoon start with the testimony of Minister Mchunu. Before we get into that, it is necessary that I place some issues on record and request that the commissioners approve the approach we are adopting. Due to changes that we had to effect to our programming, the result is we are starting with Minister Mchunu this afternoon. But we already have a witness under subpoena for tomorrow. And we have engaged with Minister Mchunu and his legal representatives. And the agreement is as follows. Minister Mchunu will start this afternoon. And in the course of the afternoon, he will give evidence, his version of the issues, uninterrupted and unquestioned in large part by the evidence leaders. He will be testifying in this session of the Commission strictly on matters pertaining to the PKTT. So when he does eventually address the commissioners, it will be on the PKTT. He has submitted a statement, and it's expected that to a large extent, it will follow what he has in the statement. But today, we shall not be engaged by the evidence leaders. He then has to come back for the second day. But because of this witness that is already under subpoena for tomorrow, we have requested, and Mr. Mchunu and his team have graciously agreed that after today, he stand down to Thursday. So we'll interpose his testimony by bringing the other witness tomorrow, which is an EMPD-related witness. We believe that it can work and it shouldn't necessarily cause confusion, because we hope that Minister Mchunu would have finished with putting forward his version of events when he addresses the question of PKTT, so that when we reconvene on the Thursday coming, then the engagement with the evidence leaders starts. If that accords with the commissioners, we propose that we approach the testimony in that manner.
And by engagement, you mean pointed questions?
Pointed questions by evidence leaders. As I say, today we will resist engaging him pointedly on these matters and to give him the opportunity to put forward his version on the matter. And I emphasize by the evidence leaders, because it is not my place to dictate to the commissioners how they deal with that. I thought just to share what the thinking is and where the commission's hands insofar as that is concerned.
You say the pointed questions will start on Thursday, and my sense is that you are saying in the morning on Thursday?
In the morning. So we expect on Thursday to run the normal day.
So that means you are hoping that the evidence today on the PKTT will be completed. Is that the idea? I've seen, my experience here is that for a whole day we take only about 12 pages of a statement. So unless you tell me that the minister's statement on the PKTT is around 12 pages, and that's the whole day, by the way. Now we have only the afternoon. So,
Chair, in discussion with Minister Mchunu and his legal representatives, I put it no higher than to say it is a hope.
It is a hope.
Right. And to the extent that it is impossible to achieve, we will then have to contend with a rollover to Thursday, hopefully morning, to allow for a proper engagement thereafter.
Thank you.
And I I'm not in a position to give any guarantees
No,
beyond that.
I understand perfectly.
Thank you, Chair.
I understand perfectly. Thank
On
you.
that score, Minister Mchunu is represented by Advocate Ngcukaitobi SC, instructed by Mr. Sandile July of Worksmans. And if we may invite Advocate Ngcukaitobi to place himself and his team on record. Thank you, Chair.
Please. Good afternoon, Mr. Ngcukaitobi.
Good afternoon, Chair. Thank you for the attention, and your fellow commissioners, I greet them as well. My name is Tembeka Ngcukaitobi. I am acting on behalf of Mr. Mchunu, the current Minister of Police. My juniors are Advocate Natalie Kezebutelezi and an advocate who is known to one of your commissioners, Advocate Mahotso Lengane. We are instructed by Mr. Sandile July from Worksmans.
Thank you, Mr. Ngcukaitobi.
Thank you,
Might
Chair.
I add one point to my learned friend's preliminary issues? We have asked for an opportunity to re-examine. My understanding is that it's not objected to. We have arranged that it should be done if we exercise it on Friday from 2 p.m.
That's in order, Mr. Ngcukaitobi.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. We are ready to lead a testimony of Minister Mchunu, and that will be done today by Advocate Lee Sigal Mncube. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Lo. Yes.
Thank you, Chair.
Yes.
Chair, the Minister will take the oath.
Good afternoon, Minister.
Good afternoon to you.
Please place your full names on record.
My name is Senzo Mchunu.
Thank you. Do you swear that the evidence you are going to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? If so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you, Minister.
Chair, if I could just ask the Minister to please bring the microphone closer to him and
Yeah,
keep
please,
it on.
Please pull both if
Yes.
they are pullable. I don't know if there is such a word.
And Chair, you would
Towards you, Minister. I think I saw you pushing them away. Please pull them towards
closer to you.
you. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chair, I thought that before we start the Minister's evidence, if he could just explain the reason why he has an earpiece in case there may be questions as to the reason for the earpiece.
Is it necessary? Is it necessary? Really? Oh, yeah, please, then, Minister.
Thank you very much, Chair of the Commission and Commissioners. I've just have a slight problem with my left ear, and then I requested that I enhance my hearing. It's nothing abnormal, but for purposes of this commission, I wanted to pick up every word and ensure that I am with the commission.
I don't know whether it's me, Minister. Maybe I also need an earpiece. Then it's a bit hard for me to hear you. I've heard every word though, but
Okay.
I somehow have to strain.
I need to raise my voice when I
Please,
speak.
Please, thank you.
I will do so, I promise.
Thank you.
Chair, they just want to assist the Minister to increase the volume on his microphone.
Just want to.
Sorry, testing 1, 2.